Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Chromebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen or unresponsive Chromebook. So as you can see here, when I move my mouse, the mouse right here on the Chromebook is not moving, so it's not responding to any keyboard or mouse movements at all. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix that very easily. Now, if you're having an issue where your Chromebook is not turning on, it's just showing a black screen, check the description, I do have a fix for that. But in this tutorial, we'll just be focusing on a frozen or unresponsive Chromebook. So the first thing I want to do is very simple. Just hold down the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds and see if that fixes it. It should turn off the Chromebook after about 5 seconds. So as you can see, as soon as I let go of the button, the mouse disappeared and it turned off my Chromebook. So now all I need to do to turn my Chromebook back on is simply hold down the power button for a couple seconds. Let go, and then as you can see, the Chromebook rebooted, and now we can start using it. It is no longer frozen, and it's responding to keyboard and mouse inputs. All right, so that's how you fix a frozen Chromebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Chromebook tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.